Alright, if you click on this video, I suspect you sometimes lie awake at night wondering if AI is going to take your job. Maybe you've seen the headlines about ChatGPT replacing writers or heard about AI coding better than junior developers. You might be thinking, if I just learn the right skills or adapt fast enough, I'll be safe. But what if I told you that this fear of AI displacement isn't actually about AI at all? It's about something much deeper. That's the central insight I want to share based on recent warnings from Anthropic CEO Dario Amodei and what it really means for your career. Let me read you something that both you and I should know about. Anthropic CEO recently said AI could soon eliminate 50% of entry-level office jobs. We, as the producers of this technology, have a duty to be honest about what is coming. Here's what's fascinating. This isn't actually about AI being better than humans. According to recent data, big tech hiring of new grads has already dropped 50% since pre-pandemic levels. But here's a kicker. They're not replacing experienced workers with AI. They're hiring experienced workers and giving them AI tools to do what junior workers used to do. As one recruiting expert put it, now you can hire one experienced worker, equip them with AI tooling, and they can produce the output of the junior worker on top of their own. This reveals something profound. The real threat isn't AI replacing humans. It's AI making experience more valuable than ever. The question isn't whether AI will take jobs, but whether you're building the kind of experience that becomes more valuable when combined with AI. Everyone's asking, how do I compete with AI? But that's like asking, how do I compete with Excel? You don't compete with your tools, you master them. The reality is this: AI isn't stealing entire job categories. It's absorbing the lowest skill, most repetitive tasks. Which means if your career strategy is built around doing those tasks, you're already in trouble with or without AI. But here's what nobody talks about. Every technological revolution creates more jobs than it destroys, just different ones. The printing press didn't eliminate storytellers, it created publishers, editors, distributors, and an entire industry we couldn't have imagined. The question isn't, will AI take my job? The question is, what human skills become more valuable in an AI world? Things like creative problem solving, emotional intelligence, strategic thinking, and the ability to work with AI as a collaborator, not see it as a competitor. Here's something that might surprise you. The same report showing 50% fewer entry-level hires also showed something else. Hiring for mid and senior level roles actually increased in 2024. What's happening is a compression of the traditional career ladder. Instead of slowly climbing from junior to senior over 5 to 7 years, the market is demanding that people develop senior level thinking much faster. This sounds scary, I know, but it's actually liberating. It means you don't have to wait years to work on meaningful projects. You don't have to pay your dues doing busy work that AI can now handle. You can jump straight to the work that actually matters. The winners in this new landscape won't be those who resist AI or those who fear it. There will be those who embrace it as a thinking partner and use it to tackle challenges they never could have handled alone. As a recruiting expert said, level up your capabilities to operate like someone more experienced by embracing AI. There's so much available to be self-taught, and you should be sponging it up. The AI revolution isn't happening to you, it's happening with you. The question is whether you will use this moment to level up or whether you will spend it worrying about displacement that might never come. Let me know your thoughts down below about AI. Are you worried about AI replacing your job, or are you actually welcoming AI with open arms? If you found this video valuable and resonated with you, do like and subscribe and check out the links down below.